Welcome to Rely Construction. We're proud to share our latest project with you. We're here in a 65-year-old Japanese character home in North Vancouver. The goal of this renovation is to transform an outdated bathroom into a safe, accessible washroom, designed to give comfort and independence while still feeling like home. Because of the home's age and character, every step of this project needs extra attention to detail, so the new space blends seamlessly with the rest of the house. We started with demolition, carefully removing old finishes and outdated plumbing. But before any work began, our team sealed off nearby rooms, protected walkways, and set up dust control systems. Keeping the rest of the home clean and safe during construction is something we take seriously. It's part of the care we bring to every project. With the old materials cleared, we reinforced the subfloor. This was a crucial step, since we're adding new weight to the room, like Italian tile, radiant floor heating, cedar shower seating, and heavy glass doors. We also applied new waterproof membranes and underlayment, protecting the structure from moisture while creating a strong foundation for the finishes to come. By taking these extra steps, we're ensuring this bathroom will last for decades and perform safely for the homeowner's needs. We've been working closely with the homeowner's nurse to make sure every detail meets accessibility guidelines. From barrier-free entry to safe grab bar placement, functionality has guided every decision. At the same time, the design embraces clean modern lines while keeping touches of Japanese tradition, so the bathroom feels refreshed without losing its cultural character. So far, plumbing and electrical rough-ins have been updated, new drywall has gone up, radiant floor heating has been installed, and the first tiles and a Schluter drain are in place. This stage sets the foundation for the next phase of finishes. Coming soon, we'll be installing glass shower doors, plumbing fixtures, lighting, paint, Japanese wallpaper, and custom cabinetry by Jinwa cabinets. These finishing details will tie the entire vision together. Thanks for joining us for this progress update from Rely Construction. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram to see the final reveal and more of our projects in the future.